You can set up class tracking so that you can find your data for your income and expense accounts based on certain classes. For example, you may have two physical locations, such as an uptown shop and a downtown shop. You might want to track how much each one makes separately. Or you could have different types of services, one based on corporate and commercial, and one for residential. You can label invoices and other transactions based on these classes. Then, to access the results of your class placement, you can run a profit and loss by class report, which I'll show you how to do in a later video. You can set up your classes based on the things that are meaningful to you. However, before you can use class tracking, you first have to enable it in Preferences. To do that, select Edit from the top menu and choose Preferences. Change to the Accounting section on the left-hand side and then choose Company Preferences. From here, place a check mark next to Use Class Tracking for transactions. It's up to you to decide whether you want to be prompted to assign classes for every transaction. You don't have to, but it would be helpful for you to remember to do it if QuickBooks is telling you. Click the blue OK button. Now, we can start creating our classes. Choose Lists from the top menu and select Class List. Click Class on the bottom left-hand side and choose New. Now, all you need to do is decide on your class names. Two Trees Olive Oil has two locations. I'll call one Uptown. I'll click Next, and I'll call the other one Downtown. Click the blue OK button, and now my classes are done. I could have a very long list of classes here. It's completely up to you and what will work best for your business. Our classes are made, and now we're ready to start assigning them to transactions. Click the X on the top left-hand side, and let's create an invoice. I'll choose a customer. And now I have a new field here called Class. I can add a class whenever I create an invoice. And if I save and close this without choosing a class, I'll be prompted to, because that's what I specified in Preferences. This was for my downtown shop, so I selected it. Now that we've invoked and turned on class tracking, we can report on it.